Good morning class 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So class 2, let's continue the book exercise of chapter number 5. Now please come on page number 39. Quickly check out your computer book and come on page number 39. Now this part we already done in our last class. So now section B. Okay. So first of all, please write down the date 20th of October 2021, CW and Wednesday. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. So the first is a keyboard consists of many buttons called keys. Keyboard में जो buttons होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Keys. Okay. Now number 2 is the alphabet keys are arranged in a dash order on a keyboard. जो alphabet keys होती है वो keyboard में कैसे arrange होती है? Sequence से होती है? No. So कैसे arrange होती है? Jumbled form. Okay. So the correct answer is jumbled. Clear? Now number 3 is number keys are also called numeric keys. Number keys को और हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Numeric keys. Now number 4 is there are dash shift keys on a keyboard. कितनी होती है shift keys? How many shift keys are available on a keyboard? 2. So the correct answer is TWO 2. Now true and false. So the section C is write true T for a correct statement and false F for an incorrect statement. Shall we start? Okay. So the first is we use alphabet keys to type words and sentences. हम alphabet keys का use करके words and sentences लिख सकते हैं? Yes. So the statement is correct. So the answer is true T. Now turn your page and come on page number 40. Now on page number 40, a set of number keys is present on the left side of a keyboard. Yes. होता है क्या? बताओ जल्दी से क्या होगा? A set of number keys is present on the left side of a keyboard. क्या जो number keys होती है वो left side में होती है क्या? No, it is on right side. So the statement is false. Clear? Now C is we press the caps lock key once to turn it on. हम एक बार जब caps lock key को press करते हैं so caps lock की turn on हो जाती है. Yes. So the statement is correct. So true. Now number 4 is we use the return key with other keys for different purposes. हम इसलिए यूज करते हैं ना, बताओ. We use the return key. जो return key होती है with other keys for the different purposes. No, the statement is false. Different purposes के लिए हम जो key यूज करते हैं उसे बोलते हैं shift key. याद है हमने बोला था press shift key. Okay, with that other keys. याद आया? See, शिफ्ट की के साथ में जब आप इसको प्रेस करोगे सो डिफरेंट पर्पजेज यानी आपको जो काम करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड वी यूज शिफ्ट की विद द अदर कीज. ओके, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. ओके, नाउ this part answer the following questions we will do in our next class. Okay, clear? So today only section B and section C. Okay, so please revise once again. Still if you feel any kind of doubt, so please let me ask in our live class. Thank you so much class 2.